Hello. Well, the truck update. There is no update. Kirk is still stuck in Okemah, Oklahoma. They told him that they can see the truck this coming week. So he's been cooling his jets there, working. He walked the 3 miles into town a couple of times to get some supplies and do some laundry. I've been at my sister's house here in Pennsylvania. We took down all the Easter decorations. We had a day out the other day, which I'll show you. We went to lunch and did a little bit of shopping. But this is a very short vlog because not a lot has happened. But I'm home, I'm happy. Kirk is safe where he is. That is good. We found out that a friend of ours from Tennessee, of Greg and Lydia fame, Greg has passed away, which is very sad. He was such a Southern gentleman. He was kind and helpful. He didn't ask for anything from anyone. You know, his parents are still alive, and he always talked fondly of his mama and his daddy. So that's gonna be a hit when we go back to Tennessee, but I guess these things happen. So yeah, thanks for watching this week, even though it was slow. I hope you tune in next week, and I will see you then.